So now I have a personal assistant set up on Telegram. It's a very simple setup which I have done, and it reminds me each and every day what are the latest AI news going on and send me a message on Telegram. And there are n number of things this particular bot can do. It can reply to my email, it can remind me the task, it can do whatever I ask, and it does with the perfection. So in today's video, we are going to see how you can connect the OpenClaw with the Telegram and get your desired output. And trust me, it is going to be a very simple thing. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So three things will be required over here. First, the OpenClaw. Second, your OpenAI API key or the Claude API key. Third is the Telegram. So for the first and second step, I have already made a detailed video. You can see in the I button. Also, there is a link in the description using which you can install your OpenClaw in the VPS. And do not run to the market and buy the Mac Mini because that is way expensive and too much of setup is required. This Hostinger VPS provides you a one-click solution using which you can install the OpenClaw into your system. So there is a link in the description. You can click on that link and you will land on this particular page. And now within a single click, you just have to buy this particular plan, which can be used for annotated workflow later, or you can host your own website if you don't want to continue with this Clawbot. So this VPS server can be used for multiple reasons. It's not just for the OpenClaw product out there. So once you choose the plan, then you can select the different periods over here. It could be 24 months, it could be 12 months, or it could be 1 month. So if you choose the 24-month period over here, so you can come and write Lakshit 15 and apply, and you will get 15% off. And on top of that, you will get extra 2-month period. That means you will get 26 months and also a free domain name over here. So it's a 3 package deal which you are getting with this particular coupon code over here. Okay. And if you choose the 12-month over here, then I'll be able to give you 10% off over here. And with that, you will be getting a domain name free and no extra month. Okay. So choose the plan accordingly because this is not just for the Clawbot for trial purpose. You can use it for your end-to-end workflow or hosting your website out there. After pressing continue and doing the payment, now you need to select your server location out there. Okay. Choose the nearest server location and then you select the Ubuntu as your kind of a OS out and create a strong root password over here and store it somewhere safe. And then it will start setting up your VPS. Then fill out the normal minimal question which they are asking. And then as you can see, your Ubuntu installation will get started. So now once it is installed, it's a very simple thing. In your Hostinger, go to your Docker manager inside the project you have set up. Then you can go to manage. Then inside the .yml editor, you can see all the environment variables mentioned over here. So you can add your Anthropic API key over here, or else you can add your OpenAI API key. Whichever LLM you want to use, you can paste that API key over here. Once both the setup are done, now it's time to connect the OpenClaw with the Telegram. So for that, go to the project, open this particular link, and our OpenClaw will get open over here. Make sure the health is okay. Once it is done, we can go to the config. Now we can go to the raw, and now we need to add the channel over here. So Telegram is one of the channel like WhatsApp, then Slack. There are multiple messaging channels, but we are going to integrate with the Telegram today. So now we need to write some code over here, and we are not that good with the coding. So I'll be giving you the small snippet of JSON file which you need to paste, which will be in the description box. Okay. So after pasting here, it would something look like this. So now we need to add the channel over here. So Telegram is one of the channel like WhatsApp, Slack, and other messaging channel. Okay. So how to get what to write over here? So don't worry, I'll be telling you how to proceed for such kind of actions. So in the bottom, you can see there is a docs over here. Click on the docs, then you will land on this particular part. So in the left hand side, if you scroll down, you will see channels. Inside that, click on the Telegram. Okay. Now this is all the configuration which will be required for the Telegram. But we won't be going much detail. So let's copy this 3 particular line over here. So we have already written channels. Now we require these 3 particular lines. Okay. So we'll copy this and now we'll come over here. And now inside the channel, we'll be coming and pasting this thing. So we have 3 channel over here. Now we need to find this botToken. Okay. So from where to get the botToken? So for that, let's open the Telegram. Okay. Come over here and search for BotFather with the blue tick sign over here. Once you open it, now if you're doing for the first time, you will see a /start button. Okay. As I have done multiple times. So I can write new bot over here. Okay. And then it will ask me to give the bot name over here. So let us give OpenClaw test bot. Okay. You can give any name over here. So I have given this particular name, and now we need to choose a username and make sure the username ends with the bot over here. So let's give OpenClaw bot. And this won't be available, it's obvious, because so many people are using it. That's the reason. Okay. Because this name is always unique. So let's do something. Let's try open test new bot. Okay, let's see, is it available? Yeah, it's available. So we got this information over here. Done. Congratulations on your new bot. And we can see we have this token over here. Okay. So I am just keeping this token to see. Okay, I'll be deleting this bot later. Okay, but you should not show this particular token to anyone else. Okay, just copy this, come over here, and inside this bot token, paste this particular token over here. Okay, once it is pasted, now we'll save it, and we can see other information is already by default added, so don't worry about that. Now once that is done, so now what we'll do, now we'll click on this thing. So as you can see, you will find this bot at this link. So click on this link, and now this is a fresh new bot which we just created. We'll write start, and we'll get some information over here. So now you'll be getting such kind of a message over here where they're telling that the ClawBot access is not configured because it is publicly open right now, but you need to allow the access to certain user. So you need to grab this user ID information over here. Okay, then go to your ClawBot. Now inside this Telegram option over here, we need to specify, you need to change the dmPolicy and allow it properly. Okay, so for that, we'll change this dmPolicy to allowList, and we'll add this allowFrom and your particular ID which you have got over there, user ID which you got over there. Once you have got this information, apply. Then now again, you can write hello now. So now as you can see, it started typing now. So now as you can see, we are getting hello again. How can I assist you today? So your Telegram and OpenClaw has been perfectly integrated. So now let's do one thing. Let's tell him to schedule a cron job. Okay. So if I tell him every day at 9 p.m. IST, remind me to drink water. Okay. I don't know why this. I can do this easily somewhere else. So now let's submit this. So now as you can see, it is typing again. And by the way, all this information, if you want to see, you can go to your bot inside the chat over here. You can see all the information happening over here. Okay. So this particular information which we send from a Telegram has came over here. And as you can see, it has created the cron over here. Okay. And the cron has been perfectly created. Now, if you come over here, it's still typing. But if we go to the cron jobs and if we scroll down, we can see drink water reminder. So at every day kind of 21 is 9. Asia Kolkata means IST. Agent is given a task to just a reminder to drink some water, stay hydrated. So this will run each and every day at 9 p.m. And now it has also given us a feedback that I have sent up a daily reminder for you at 9 p.m. IST to drink water. Stay hydrated. If there's anything else you want, just let me know. So now as you can see, I have my personal assistant which do whatever I want. So now if you want, you can give your Gmail access, you can give all the other tool access to this particular bot, so it can take action while you're sleeping or doing some other work. So I hope this video is helpful for you to understanding how to connect the Telegram and the OpenClaw bot. So if there is anything else you want to cover in the OpenClaw bot, there are unlimited stuff out there. And don't forget to click the link in the description box to get your VPS server, which you can use to install this OpenClaw instead of buying the Mac Mini. And if you don't want to use the OpenClaw in the future, you can host your N10 or your website, and for 24 months you will get the domain name free plus extra 2 months. Let me know in the comment box. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.